Hi everyone, today we are discussing about dressing sense. Dressing for interview. तो ड्रेसिंग क्या है? हम जब ड्रेसिंग की बात करते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले आता है कि हम तो बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं. यूजुअली हम अपने हिसाब से कॉलेज भी अच्छे कपड़े पहन करके जाते हैं एंड इट इज़ ऑल परफेक्ट. अगर परफेक्शन की हम बात करते हैं तो इंटरव्यू के लिए जब हम बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स को सेपरेट करते हैं तो व्हाट शुड बी द अटायर फॉर द गर्ल्स एंड द बॉयज़. गर्ल शुड गो विथ, अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट में जा रहे हैं, अगर आप ट्रेडिशनल में जा रहे हैं लाइक फॉर द टीचिंग, देन यू कैन वेयर द साड़ी, दैट्स फाइन, फेयर इनफ. लेकिन अगर आप प्रोफेशनल के लिए जा रहे हैं तो ट्राउज़र एंड शर्ट. Okay, and the shirt should be light shade. It should not be darker shade, not zazzy. कि आज तो मैं अपने सारे अच्छे कपड़े पहन ही लूँगा. It should not be zazzy in the colors. So light shirts always be preferable. And secondly, trousers should be matched. Girls can try a scarf as well. Boys can't. A scarf they cannot, and they can try for this. Later on, अगर हम बात करते हैं accessories की, so what kind of accessories girls should wear? No junk accessories. They should go for single watch and small earrings. That's it. It should not be like that कि नहीं आज मेरा इंटरव्यू है और आज मैं सब कुछ जितना भी मेरे पास जंक ज्वेलरी है सब दिखा के आऊँगी. No. Should go with the small earrings, no need of rings, and a bracelet can be. Watch is there and a bracelet can be. Neat and tidy attire should be there. आप जितना comfortable clothes पहनेंगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. अगर वो नए कपड़े हैं और आपको itching कर रहे हैं और बार बार आप उनको संभाल रहे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स सारा दिमाग और सारा ध्यान आपका कपड़ों की तरफ ही जाएगा. आपको लगेगा कि क्वेश्चंस तो पीछे रह जाएंगे, तो सारा जो आपका टेम्परामेंट होगा वो सारा आपके कपड़ों में ही चले जाएगा. सो इट शुड बी कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स. एंड नेक्स्ट इज योर शूज. सैंडल्स अवॉइड. ऐसे नहीं कि हील वाली सैंडल पहन के चले गए और वो खट 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 आवाज़ आ रही है एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि मैं तो बहुत स्मार्ट लग रही हूँ. नहीं, अवॉइड दोज जो आप यूजुअली नहीं पहनते. आप जिसके लिए कंफर्टेबल हैं, जिसके लिए आप फील करते हैं कि यस आई एम ओके विद इट, वेदर इट्स पेंसिल, बट आप उसके लिए गॉन थ्रू होने चाहिए. इट शुड बी कंफर्टेबल टू यू and no noise should be there. Hairstyle should be neat and tidy. आपके hairs इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे फेस पे नहीं आने चाहिए, तो it should be always a tidy hairstyle. Clean and clear. No requirement of makeup. अगर आप नॉर्मल एक फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करते हैं, एक नॉर्मल लिप ग्लॉस या लिपस्टिक, इट डिपेंड्स ऑल्सो द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. आप किस चीज़ के इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप एक फैशन इंडस्ट्री में जा रहे हैं देन यू कैन अप्लाई, बट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द प्रोफेशनल वन लाइक इंटरव्यू, इंजीनियरिंग, MBA, so of course there you should go with a professional way. You should not go with the zazzy makeup or overlapping makeup. It should not show ki okay eyelashes, mascara and all that, long dark lipstick. It should not be like that. Later on, I will talk in terms of boys. So the boys should go with normal light color shirt and trouser. A shirt, it can be any, and if you will go with the tie, so it should be very selective. Should not be like that कि आपने एक रेड कलर की टाई पहनी. It should go with your attire. Then your shoes. Always go with leather shoes. Don't go for sport shoes with your trouser. If you have that brown and black shoes, it will more comfortable. But don't try for the new shoes particular day, otherwise it will pinch you. Next is your hairstyle. The boys nowadays trying many hairstyles, like long hairs, short hairs, take a pony. So for a good interview, you should not go for these experiments. Just go with the normal short hairs. If you are okay with your long hairs like Maggie hairs, then you should have more comfortable if you are having the comfort zone with that hair. So we have one student with us who have this kind of attire also. So we'll talk. Can he be comfortable with this attire, with this hairstyle at the time of interview? Let's check it out. Moreover, next we can talk about the boys, what accessories they should wear. Cufflinks. If you wear shirt, then cufflinks are the best option for having as accessories. A watch. Watch should be normal. It should not shiny golden watch. It should be leather. It can be a steel one or silver can be, but it should not be zebra. Next, no other tattoos. Nowadays the boys and girls are having the tattoos. If you have, then cover it up at the time of interview. This is all about. If anyone have any question, can ask. But I would like, as those who have the long hairs in the class, boys especially, are they comfortable with those things? Yes. So what's your name?
My name is Ahan Vats.
Ahan. So Ahan, are you, what do you think that the hairstyle which you have, it's okay with it?
I'm fine with it and I'll make sure that the interview is fine with it too.
Okay. And if it is not acceptable at the time of interview, then what you will do?
I would either tie my hair or I'd wear a cap.
Okay, then how could you know prior to the interview?
I'll ask the interviewer first.
You will ask the interview first, are you okay with my hairs?
Yeah, I'll make sure they're comfortable with me and it would also bring up a foundation of conversation with them.
Okay. So you feel that if you have the confidence, then you can carry a long hairs as well.
Yeah, like if it shouldn't bother them if my skills or my conversation is enough to make up for that. So I don't think it should bother them.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you, Ahan. Okay, and next girl. The attire which you have, what do you feel it is perfect for the interview?
It's not very perfect for an interview, but because obviously it's kind of a mixed match. I want sneakers, and then I want jeans, and then there's this ethnic hoodie. So it kind of mixes different styles of fashion, which wouldn't be as appropriate for an interview. For the, as you shared earlier, the junky jewelry that I am wearing. So I would subtract that from my outfit, and yeah, I would wear more formal attire. That would be a bit more low-key.
Yeah. I mean jeans. If we talk about jeans, jeans is not at all acceptable in any interview. Jeans is for coal mine workers, and of course if you are going for the interview, not for the coal mine worker. So it was being invented for those who used to work in the coal mine. Nowadays the students are wearing this just because of they don't want to wash it. Okay, keep on wearing it 2-3 months, it's okay. And just change the kurtis, right?
Yeah.
That is the thing. So, and sneakers, of course,
Right, yeah.
right? So, a sneaker beside of the sneaker, it can be a comfortable attire for your classes, for your college, but not for the interview.
Like to ask, does different job position like also depend on our dressing sense?
Yes, of course. It depends on the particular job aspects. If you are going for a professional one, like fashion industry, as you are from the fashion industry, so yes, you can go according to the fashion attire, but it should be prompted. It should not be overwhelmed. Yes, it should be like, yes, the second person, those who are taking the interview, they should understand what you want. Okay, and when you are going for a teaching or UPSC examinations, so of course a sari, that Indian sari is the best option for everything. And when you are in Indian sari, so of course the attire is totally different. Then you can wear the kada also, the watch also, you can have the choti also, open air. There are various aspects for that. As well as bindi also you can apply for that, because it is showing our Indian attire. Okay, so yes, according to for which profile you are going, it's depend on that. And
Like if we are going to the office every day, so can we wear casuals for every day?
what?
Like if we are going office for every day, so can we wear casuals?
Casual. Yes, in daily we can wear, but it's again depend on your atmosphere. If in your office a decorum is there that everyone should come in formals, then you can't go in t-shirt and jeans. It depends, because some of the offices have strictly mentioned okay, in formals it's mandatory. In that condition you can't. And formals, everyone knows that what are the formals. That I recently have added that formals is your trouser, your shirt and shoes. That's it. Okay guys, so this is all about interview. And if there is any other question, you can ask me the question by writing your questions. I'll definitely give you the answer. Thank you so much. Thank